15 seconds on the game clock. Stockton setting it up for the three. Malone with the recovery, and a foul has been called. Looks like a loose ball foul being indicated by Bill Oates. It's against Chicago. It's on Rodman.
Well, first of all, it was terrific defense by the Chicago Bulls on the high pick and roll. Stockton had to go back towards his own man, forced to take a tough shot. But Dennis Rodman hanging on to that back and pulling on Karl Malone, who just wanted that rebound more than anybody else.
3 of 4 at the line, 23 points, 15 rebounds, 9 and 2/10 seconds to go. You remember Malone hit just 6 of 12 at the line, Game 7 at Seattle last year in the Western Finals. I also mentioned he had that 18 for 18 this year. The playoffs. See the numbers right there.